What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you guys for joining me for today's unboxing video. As you can see, this is a doozy. Let's see what we got. And let's see, I think this is the best side to open this from. Take a look at that. Brand new soundboards. I am so excited to put these up. Hopefully you guys can get a good look at them there. Trust me, you'll get a much better view once I have them mounted. Stay tuned, guys. Next video, I'm going to put them up. I'm going to show you how they look. Thank you guys for being here. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.